Lesson 7. Analyzing your scenario. Open HP load runner analysis. Double click the analysis icon on the left. Sunod, file, open, file, open, analysis session, double click, open, open, define. How do I define an SLA? To define an SLA, open the SLA wizard. Configuration SLA rules. Click new to open service level agreement wizard. Click next. Select a measure for your goal. In the select measurement for your goal page. Select the transaction response time, average. Click next. Select the transaction to monitor. Select transaction page. Select transaction to monitor from available transaction list. Available transaction list. Double click. Check _89 transaction to move. Select the transaction list. Click next. Set the load criteria. Select the user from the load criteria drop-down list. And set the load values to look like the following example. Click next. Set threshold values. In the set threshold values page, you define the acceptable average transaction times. The check _terminalization. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15. Save the SLA. Click next, finish, then close on the page that follows. Did my server perform well? Click in the session explorer under graphs. Click running VUser. The running VUser graph opens in the graph viewing area. Right click the graph and select set filter or group by. Set filter group by button. In the filter condition area, select values. Column of generation apps time rule. Click the down arrow specific time rule from 1 minute and 30 seconds to 3 minutes to 45 seconds. Click OK. In the graph setting dialogs box, click OK. For later running views and average transaction response times to compare the data. Right click the running viewer graph and select clear filter or group by. Right click the running viewer graph and select clear filter or group by. Right click the graph and select merge graph. Merge graph. From select graph to merge with list, select average transaction response time. Under select type of merge, select correlate and click OK. Saving a template. To save your template, select Tools, Templates. In the Templates pane, click the New button. The Add New Templates dialog box opens. Enter an appropriate name from template and click OK. Save and close. How can I pinpoint the source of the problem? From the graph tree, select average transaction response time graph. Right-click the graph and select set filter group by. In the transaction name of values, select check underscore ternary. Click OK. Right-click the graph and select autocorrelate. In the autocorrelate dialog box, make sure that the measurement is checked and set the time range from 1 minute 20 seconds to 3 minutes to 40 seconds, or by dragging the grid and red pulse into place along the scenario time axis. Click OK. The auto-correlated graph opens in the graph view area. The check underscore itinerary transaction is highlighted. Rename the graph. In the Session Explorer under Graphs, click Auto-correlated graph. Select Rename item. The auto-correlated check it and press Enter. Correlated check. Underscore itinerary. Press Enter. Analyze the auto-correlated graph. What other information can I gather about my scenario run? Click Graph, Add New Graph. Display a new graph in the Open New Graph dialog box. Click the sign plus next to the category to expand it. Select Graph and click Open Graph. Click Close. How can I publish my findings?